Good night. I need a woman where everybody has said, the man kicking her face. And I really kick the man, kick me in my face. I rest him foot from my shoulder, but it took me bend down and I come up. It's coming up, it's gonna look like I'm the face, but it's not my face, it's my shoulder. And who wants to head, say head. Who wants to face, say face. Leave it there, so. Don't apologize to me. Yeah, I mean, apologize, accept it, so done with it.
Yo, that sound like she scared, you know. You know what I mean? Say, yo, him apologize and she done with it. Look like them bother her up, man. She get some serious talk, you know what I mean?
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Game me bird can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, lesbialy, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, people. So this is Beenie Man apologizing to the lady, and she looks so young here. What was happening with her costume? Why she looked so kumina? You know what I mean? The night when he had stepped in her face, right? Yo, she looked much younger here and nicer here, you know? But there is so many flaws in this video and apology that was given by Beenie Man, right? The apology, I expected it to be just as how it is, because I know in Beenie Man all these years, I know say it wasn't sincere, you know what I mean? Because he's a man who love boast and brag about the things he got, and you know, the title and you know, his Grammy. So mega there's 3 slides of this post here, right? Make us see how him caption the post. So this post was done by Beenie Man, right? And let me show you. Yeah. So this is the lady, that he had stepped in her face, kick her in her face, nearly kick out her teeth. I think say I saw the Jamaican them they are gonna do it, you know. Them me expected the Jamaican them to exaggerate and say, "Bomba, Beenie Man kick out the woman teeth last night." Yo, Beenie Man, you know what I mean? But may I tell you, that is her right there. You know what I'm saying? This is her. I like her jersey and red and black color coding. What is Walla beep on her feet? A bad woman, you know, you see me, bad girl, big up herself, whoever she is. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So the thing is, we're gonna read through this first, and then we can get into the slide. All right. So Beenie Man posts it, right, saying, "My sincere apology to you, Mama." That's it. That's all him right. "My sincere apology to you, Mama." That's it. That is no way to show respect. And then look on them people here. I can't even like the post. Breadback Production takes a real man to apologize. Hey boy, move from here, so. I don't take all apology. See King Shizzle Sherlock, but big look. All him is a joker too. Can't them man I look up to Beenie. You get me? I say some weak hard people are a joker. You see me? You can't think that, brother. Nothing the man no post. You want to go over Chris Genius and see how them a beat Beenie in the comment section, cause Beenie give the people them we are defending him a big SYM. You see me? See that? Takes a real man to apologize. More see the comment them we are beat him, you know. The man acknowledge what happened and apologize. A man is a man. Any man can make. That is not a mistake. You damn one king, you idiot, you're king. Pressure bust pipe. Yeah man, pressure bust pipe. Make him have to apologize, mama. Yeah, she get 12 like. You see me, yeah man, the pressure make him have to forward and apologize. Him nastiness. Him come under attack. Him forward under attack. Woman, you lie. You said the man kick out your front teeth. I'll see there. And that me more here. Them thing them more here. You can tell Sabine no to give her no money, you know, a drink him give her, you know. For too long, Jamaicans have been settling for this drink money. Just give me a drink and go on, man. You go to some business place to go buy all something from the business place, and a man say, yo, just give him a drink, man, and him can give you it and thief it for you. You know, Jamaica, that mash up Jamaica, you know, the drink money. You get me? I say, one bag of drink, people for start claim more than a drink money for any cases and incidents like this, where somebody put them dirty foot in your shoes, in your face. Somebody put them dirty foot in your face, all in your shoes too. And no boy enough you put them foot in your shoes. So you sue them blood not. You see me? Apologize, accepted. I did a beat you still, but well done. You must see that. This not well done. The king just avoided a major lawsuit. I'd show him should I get sued for millions. Life is a cycle. How much him pay you for say that? I threaten her. Them not pay her nothing. But $500. Yeah, just a drink money. So him a go drink with her and we see him walk off. Him now go back. Me I wonder if a standpipe, you know, it look like one part of standpipe, you see me? We know you're better than that. Are you name Beenie? Move your bumbuckler. Better than what? Beenie Man, you for go, you know. That me I say, you know. Bumbuckler. Kiss my teeth. Yeah, kiss my teeth too. Where I get out of this comment section and play the video.
Yes, Beenie. Yes, Lord.
That's very good.
Yeah, man.
So, we good. You're our drink.
Yeah, man.
You're nice.
Yeah, on the
Listen to
line.
me,
Yes.
this are the lady them say me kick on her face. Me never put my foot in her face. I put my foot on her shoulder, but I should not have done that.
Yeah.
That is wrong.
Right.
You can't put your foot on no woman at all whatsoever. You understand what I say? And I am just here to say I apologize again, because I apologize to you on the night, but I apologizing to you right now at this time. I am sorry. You accept my apology?
Yes,
Yes, it's beloved.
yes,
That's
Lord.
That's very good.
Yeah, man.
So, we good? We're
Yeah.
gonna have a drink.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, it start over black, you see it. But this remind me of how them force Laba Laba fi. After Laba Laba say Beenie do that to Bogle. I see Laba Laba forward out quick. You see me? And change up his mouth. You have to wonder. Then I saw them man here. Threaten people, man. You see me? Trust me, them not give that woman here $1, brother. One little drink money, she goodly not get nothing. Can goodly vex with her. You see me? Cause people say that she said that Beenie Man kick out her teeth. Maybe it's her false teeth, who knows? You see me? So we're gonna slide to the left and see what you must say. But you see him lie about a shoulder. You get what I say? About a shoulder. And them other two women there, them not look too pleased. You get what I say? You can tell say like them they are cussing. Look on the one here right here, so. Look on the woman over the side under my picture right here. Look at her face. She not pleased. And she a baby feed her baby. See her there? Scratching her head. You can tell say them not pleased with Beenie. Them a cuss him all yesterday, all this morning them wake up. But just stream there now. Them just you see me? So none of them not like Beenie. But Mama thinks say she get something, that's why she get up and hug him. Time I tell her about drinks and Ray. A couple millions, she forget a car from him. You see me? I go slide.
Good night. I need a woman where everybody has said, Beenie Man kicking her face. And I really kick the man, kick me in my face. I rest him foot from my shoulder, but it took me bend down and I come up. It's coming up, it's gonna look like I'm the face, but it's not the face, it's my shoulder. And who wants to head, say head. Who wants to face, say face. Leave it there, so. Don't apologize to me. Yeah, I mean, apologize, accept it, so done with it.
Yo, that sound like she scared, you know. You know what I mean? Say, yo, him apologize and she done with it. Look like them bother her up, man. She get some serious talk, you know what I mean? I don't like how it thing there. And then she tell lie. Say I know in her face and we see it plain straight in her face. It may have touched her shoulder too, yes, but it touch her face. You know what I mean? But it's like them force her in a cows to say them thing. We not trust them. Look on it again. We can play it again.
Good night. I need a woman where everybody has said, Beenie Man kicking her face. And I really kick the man, kick me in my face. I rest him foot from my shoulder, but it took me bend down and I come up. It's coming up, it's gonna look like I'm the face, but it's not the face, it's my shoulder. And who wants to head, say head. Who wants to face, say face. Leave it there, so. Don't apologize to me. Yeah, I mean, apologize, accept it, so done with it.
Them done paradise. She forget a paradise, yes? You get me? But way more than an apology. You see me? But apologize. I'm sure right now, a couple million she forget. What wanna say? That me I say. You see me? Let's slide to the last one where we see. There's a third slide. See?
Yeah. And then.
That's a move like a Batman. Like straight.
Yeah, but that's something I'm moving.
I'm here to say, I'm not around against him.
So one king, one king, one king,
Right, that's it.
one king, you know.
Bless
No
you.
disrespect, you know, Beenie.
Rasta, everything.
Beenie, are you okay? Yeah. And then,
Yeah. I said, move and move here. Move and move like a madman. Like straight.
yeah, but that's come here and move.
I'm here for you. I'm not around against you.
So one king, one king, one
Right,
king,
that's it.
one king, you know.
Bless
No
you.
disrespect, you know, Beenie.
Rasta, everything.
Beenie, are you okay? Yeah.
Yo, them bride about you for say one king. They almost say them Gigi and frightening. Jaja no. Frightened. Watch it. Nothing now go on the end. See Anna Jar there. Kartel nah there. Some people have Anna Jar them way there. With nothing now go on. People thirsty and Beenie can't feed and quench the thirst. You get me I say? A water house them say them there, you see me? Watch it. The person here. No drinks, no smoke, no nothing. I mean, being for bro off the ends. Or get off the ends. Simple. You see me? Yo, she sell herself cheap. But I say go still. You see me I say? I say, you know, that's a thing there.